Hello, welcome to the vlog. Now, this is going to be another one of them review things. You know, I'm always up for a good gadget and something that's going to be bloody useful. First of all, excuse the state of the kitchen. Got the slow cooker on. That's been on forever. Yeah, love a good gadget. Now, we've been sent this. We have been sent a smart lunchbox. I've got no idea what a smart lunchbox is, but having had a read, it looks like it's a battery powered lunchbox that will basically keep your food warm, or it will heat your food up ready for a certain time. Let's have a look. What does it come with? Well, we've got a bag, a thermal bag. So I'm kind of guessing that the lunchbox sits in that. Straps for the thermal bag, and oh, that's not. What else have we got? We've got a fork. We've got a USB-C charging cable. Let's take it out, show it a bit easier. He says. I can't actually see a manufacturer's name, but as I say, we've been sent this by there's a spoon as well. Shame there's not. Is there a knife? There's no knife. So we've been sent this by a promotional company, but all we've got is a BX88. Lunchbox. Now, what can I show you so far? So it's I take it that's where you store the knife and the fork. Let's have a quick look inside. Plastic lid, instructions. Right, so heating element in the bottom there. That's let's have a quick look at, please fully charge the product before use. Let's see what it's got to say. So you can schedule, you can heat now, you can keep warm. So by the looks of it, you just switch it on, which is what I've done. So we've got 3 battery bars. You've got heat. Up to 60. I'm assuming that's the temperature. Let's just switch it off for a moment. Timer. So I'm assuming that is again minutes. That's your timer. And it will start counting down. Assumption. Should we have a read? Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to turn the device on. Press the timer button to activate the heating schedule function. Press the up and down arrow to set the time before heating starts. Press the temp button to set the temperature heat. So you're going to go, we've already powered it on. Press the timer button, yeah, which is what we did, and press the, so we go timer, up and down buttons. It doesn't seem to be doing much. Excuse me, should we try again? Timer, no, switch it on. Yeah, timer. 90. Oh yeah, so there you go. That's how long before it actually comes on. 150 minutes, 180 minutes. Right, yeah, I got that. They got that. And then there's a warm up process. So switch it off again, and then you switch it on, and you've got the warm up. the warm button to press the warm button to activate the heating schedule. All right, got all that. Right, let's try the heat. So let's set the temperature. Press the temp button. Yeah. Yeah, so is that heating? Yes, it is. So that element is getting warm already. Brilliant. Okay, let's take this off of here. And ideally what we need is something to actually put in here to warm. Now, my assumption is that you actually put, that plate is getting very hot already. So we need something to put in there to actually warm up. So let's give it a go. Back in a second once I've found something. Okay, gonna try some vegetable soup. So take that off of there. And pour the vegetable soup in here. How's it looking? So a lot of people disagree with this, but let's just put that in there. Could you
I've just put the recycling out.
I know. So what I've done is I've put this vegetable soup in there. I've set the heat for 58. Hang on, let's start that again. So switch it on and heat now. Press the keep warm. Hang a minute. Scheduled heat up. Heating up procedure. Press and hold the button for 3 seconds. Press the timer button to activate the heating schedule function. No, we don't want that. We want the heat up now. So heat and I do believe that is getting hot now. This is a bit confusing. So scheduled heat up, heat now procedure. Press and hold the button for 3 seconds to turn it on. Press the timer button to activate the heating schedule function. No. Press the warm button to activate the heating schedule. This is very, very confusing because one is scheduled heat up. So basically, for some reason, that is just repeating itself. But I do believe that it should be heating now, which I don't think it's doing. It's a bit confusing because it doesn't. So switch it on. Heat. Temperature 60. It's flashing. So let's put the lid on it. As I say, my assumption is that that is going to heat it up. And then we'll come back to it. It says temperature is 60. Let's come back to it in, it's 10 to 5 now. We'll come back to it at 5:15 and see if it is actually warmed up. Right, welcome back. I didn't read the instructions, which I did read the instructions, but I didn't follow them. So what I did was went off on a tangent, pushed buttons, and wondered why it didn't heat up. Because what I kept doing was putting it into timer mode. So after a lot of messing around, I eventually followed the instructions, and it works. Now, this is not a microwave. This is not going to warm your food up from cold in like 10 minutes. But what it will do is it will warm your food up. Now, I put some soup in there. Admittedly, it's about an hour since, because of me not reading the instructions. However, I can feel this is hot. And the other thing I didn't do is I didn't charge it fully, and it clearly says on it, charge fully before you use it. Hence, 3/4 of the way through, it decided that it was going to run out of battery. Completely my fault. What I haven't done is I haven't opened it up. I've just left it doing its thing. Now, in there I put some vegetable soup. I'm going to see if it's cooked. So, can I get you down here with this? I think you can see everything. So, let's take the lid off. Oh yeah, that's steamy. That is hot. That is hot. That is definitely hot. Let's give this a stir. Now, is it warm enough to eat is the question. Yes, it is. Oh my God, it's red hot. Yeah. Oh, that has totally heated that soup up. It's absolutely brilliant. Now, I just put soup in there to see if it would warm it up from cold, and it has. Let's try some more. Yeah, that is hot. There's no two ways about that. That is hot. There's a pressure relief valve on the top, which I think is a brilliant idea. So I'm going to put that back on now. Turn the pressure relief valve down a little. And I'm going to put the lid back on, and I'm going to leave it just gently ticking over. At the moment, I've got it charging using a power bank, which means if you wanted to, and you wanted to heat something up for a long period, it would do it. It would do it. But I'm really impressed with that. Price-wise, $24.99, I think, off of Amazon. But this one was sent to us. The only thing I can see is when I was looking to see if it actually had a name, it is the model is the BX88, but it doesn't actually give you, unless that's the name of the company, which I can't. FCCROHS, made in China. But ideal, and for me, not just ideal to take out in a camper van, on the boat, if I'm sort of travelling anywhere, but for work, absolutely brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. I can put my dinner in now, especially if I'm away overnight, put my dinner in now, get to the hotel, switch that on, I've got dinner. How amazing is that? It's, yeah, if it $24.99, absolutely brilliant. Right, another one of our reviews. Hope you found it interesting. I'm going to give you I'll give you some real world feedback on it when I'm actually using it, and we'll see what we get in real life. So anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, give it a thumbs up. If you don't already, please subscribe and ring the bell for notifications. Apparently there's a hype thing now. Don't know what that is, but apparently you can hype a video. So if you wouldn't mind hyping a video, that would be great. If you want to support the channel, you can buy us a coffee. There'll be a link in the description below. Right, we'll be back in the next one fairly soon.